courtesy. These are the main ingredients of Pilinut candy, the Pilinuts, and the liquid glucose, and also the white sugar to make a. So this is how we have to remove the lagting pili from the skin, the first skin, like this. So this one, this is tinola, we eat this, but because this a lot, so we cannot eat all of this. So I'm putting in a plastic bag because we're gonna use this. This is the pili skin. We're gonna use this for the plants. It's gonna be a fertilizer for the plants. So this one, it's gonna be fertilizer for the plants, but this one, we eat this because this is rich in fiber. So rich in fiber. And this is how it looks like. This is one bucket, and this is the one, the lagting. This is lagting. Another more pili, and we have there one big pot pili. It's, you have to put a hot water. Yeah, that's how he's doing. We call it ilog. You have to cut it, but you should keep it whole, the pilinut. This is one Tupperware and another Tupperware. So he's been doing this all day, courtesy of my brother. And I'm the one who gonna try the pilinut, the raw pilinut. Yummy. It tastes like milk. Before you cook this one or make a candy, you have to remove the brown skin, like this one. Then only this, the white nuts, the pili. Magtilad ng pili. Need to be get ilog, or you have to get the whole pili. Don't break it. Let's break. There you go. This is good. Just one click. And uga-ugain ng konti. I got the whole one. And this is without the skin. It's white, color white. My brother did this for overnight. Like more than 8 hours doing this. Now he just asleep after finishing the one sack of pili. Okay, I think on
you can push, you can cut through, and you can push.
So I'm removing the skin of my Pilinut candy. So this is the raw, the fresh pili, and this is, I still have a skin. This is one full, and this is the no skin now. And I still have another half of a rice cooker, 3/4. I still have to remove the brown skin. So this is the brown skin. So it's like I've been doing this for 3 hours already. The one ice cream bowl. It's like almond, how to remove the skin, but almond you have to soak in a water. This one also, the pili, you can soak also in the water when it's. Then you add the
Cooking
cooking oil on the pot.
You add the
Add the glucose, 1 spoon of glucose after you adding the 2 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then you have to stir it continuously. The liquid glucose, you have to stir it continuously until it's become brown, the Pilinut candy. Now we're using the firewood to cook the Pilinut because on the charcoal it's too slow. To make it faster, we have to use the firewood.
It's turning light brown.
It's turning light brown after
Several minutes.
20 minutes. Strainer, when you drain the oil from Pilinut.
Sige, taktak mo dyan.
Now the Pilinut is done. So we have to pull it down. Transfer to the plate. To pull it down. You have to spread it.
Hindi, yung pili. Ay, yung lana, ilagay mo lang. Oo. Lagi lahat. Nasunog na yung ano natin.
These are our finished product. The Pilinut candy that we did the work for all day and all night to make this.